Sa sobrang laki ng orders namin dito sa Batangas, need ko mag-expand ng kusina. Literal na lumulubog ako sa dami ng order ng isang client. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, paano na? Pag more than one client in a day, diba? Pag may growth talaga ang isang business, nagkakaroon ng mga problema. Isa na dito is storage to accommodate the orders of our additional location. Sa init ng panahon, delikado na hindi maayos ang storage. Kaya sobrang happy ko na small business problem solved with the ultimate hack. Thanks to the Condura Negosyo Chest Freezer Inverter Pro na talaga naman pasok na pasok sa size na kailangan ko para ma-expand ang kitchen capacity ko this summer. Ka-inverter compressor to, so mas tipid sa gastos kasi it saves 40% energy. Kaya nasa 17 pesos and 27 cents na lang per day. Perfect din sa tag-init kasi may negosyo fast freeze mode to sa controls. So at negative 29 degrees Celsius, nagtatransform yung liquids into microcrystals. Perfect sa cordon bleu ko to para kapag pinalambot na uli yung karne, hindi matatanggal yung kulay, flavor at texture nito. At saka syempre may mga orada orders tayo, 'di ba? So kailangan mabilis yung paggawa at mabilis mag-freeze. So, apart from the spacious interior na may aluminum inner lining para siguradong durable at rust resistant to, may wire basket din to for easier access sa smaller items. Kaya ng mga seafood, yung mga mussels, usually yan yung mga nakahiwa-hiwalay na balot. So, natatanggal to kaya it's very convenient when I need to add my pan trays for bigger orders. Alam nyo ba dati, I can only accept one client per day. Pero ngayon, kaya ko na mag-multiple clients. Imagine, one client, yung order nila, more than 5 full pan trays. Ngayon, kahit damihan pa nila, push! Kaya ko rin talaga napili tong Condura kasi I've read a lot of reviews that it's built to perform efficiently and withstand the tropical weather. Ganyan paggawang Pinoy. Para sa Pinoy eh. Plus maganda ang warranty plan ng Condura. May 5 years of compressor, 2 years for system and parts, 1 year for the inverter board, and 3 months for the plastic parts. Which is really important for every business. Gaano karami man ang orders, lalaban ako kasi confident ako na may meat and seafood supplies stay fresh thanks to my Condura chest freezer. So make your summer cooler than ever with Condura, available on your favorite home appliances nationwide. Ayun lang. Thank you, Condura. Bye-bye!